Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Green color, yellow color, red color, purple color, chocolate color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Rhombus, star, triangle, circle, heart and pentagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Rhombus, next star, next triangle, next circle, next heart, next pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, rhombus, next yellow color, star, chocolate color, triangle, next purple color, circle, next red color, heart, next blue color, pentagon, what we learned? We learned green color, rhombus, yellow color, star, chocolate color, triangle, purple color, circle, red color, heart, blue color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.